Welcome back, fellas, to this new video of TechExpress. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get started with setting up the My Business of the Google in just a few minutes. First of all, what you want to do is to sign in and create a profile. So if you go to business.google.com and sign in with a Google account, you want to manage your business ad. If you don't have one, it's actually going to be quick and free to create. So I'm going to choose the option that says Start Now. This will be bringing you directly into the element where you can use Get Started by generating your actual business. In my case, I'm going to try with a new one. Let's go back in here. It says Get Your Business Discovered and do Google Search, Maps, and more. Now here, enter a few business details. I'm going to try with Cambademy, create a business with this name, and I hit for Continue. Now, it says choose your business style. You can select all that apply to Cambademy. For example, if this one is an online retail, customers can purchase products through the website, customers can visit your business in person, or your business makes business to customers. In this case, we only focus for online retail. Then choose the option that says Next. Here, what you can do is to add your own online store if you have one. If you don't have to worry about that. You can focus directly into Skip. For now, you can edit that element later. Now, into enter the business category, what you can do is to choose the category what you wanted to focus on and go for next. To try to be as descriptive as possible as you can possibly can, so all of this information will be added directly in there. Then it's going to be asking you to enter your business address, where you are located. Let's try with something like this. Then what you can do is to add your own phone number. I'm going to skip this part for now. And that says put your business on the map. If you hit to continue, what's going to happen is that it's going to be making like a preview of your business, how it actually looks. So when you add the contact information, it might be asking you to verify this business. So Google needs to confirm that you are the rightful owner of the business. So the verification method varies, but you will likely be offered one of a few options: a phone call, a text message, or a postcard sent to your business address. So choose the one that works for you and follow the instructions to get your unique code. Once you receive the code, you want to enter this into your profile. Now I'm going to verify this later, because what we're going to do now is to fill out your business details. Now here into my business details, while you wait for your verification code, you can start populating your profile with rich, detailed information. So you set your business hours. So what you wanted to do, guys, let's say for example here into adding your service, let's go for flying brochures, lettering, logo design, magazine, catalogs, corporate graphics. You can add a custom service if you wanted to. Now, when we were to talk about business hours, you wanted to be honest and accurate. So you wanted to create a concise description of your business. Something that I really loved about the element of adding the business hours is that it can be open for a specific amount of time. Let's say, for example, we are open from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. for example. And what I can do is to adding more hours, right? And I can do exactly the same thing as we just did here and go for the option that says Next. So usually what we do have currently here is that basically all of this information can be provided just as easy as just to type that like this. Check out how it actually looks now, my new hours. When you finish with this process, go for the option that says Next, and it's going to be asking you for a business description. So let your customers learn more about your business by adding a description for the business profile. So basically, you wanted to use keywords here that people might search for, but focus on telling a clear story about what you offer. Our client, which is Cambademy, focuses on, let's say, create or offering services related to the Canva. And I hit now for Next. Basically here it's going to be asking you for the photo of the business. This is a game changer for engagement, because adding photos of your storefront, your team, your products, and your work, avoiding using stock photos, customers wanted to see the real you. So with this information, I select and drag the image in here and I head over for continue. So I choose to select my images. And lastly, we have an advertising credit. Now, this is totally optional if you wanted to, but basically, if you wanted to start advertising your business with Google Ads, if you pay, for example, this specific amount for advertising credit, you're gonna get a reward for doubling this, so you can claim your credit. In this case, I'm gonna just skip this part, and I'm gonna skip the trial mode. So my edit will be visible once I am verified, and my business, it will be available directly in here. So you have to edit the profile. We have the products, services, bookings, Q&A, posts, photos, performance, advertised, and so much more. So I'm gonna head over directly into the upper right corner where I have my account, and you have now more information about yourself, and you can manage all of this in just one place. So that's how we can get started directly here for Verified. Fill out the Google search maps, helping your new customers to find you. So guys, if you found this helpful, be sure to like the button, subscribe to TechExpress for more fast and easy tech solutions. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Hopefully with all this being said, we can see you guys next time.